You all can email. We've got a lot of resources, the ECOS, the Electric Culture of Safety, LineWorker, Safety National Webinars. This will be 6066. You can email me. I'll send all of them to you. Go to Electric Culture of Safety, go to Bierer Meters YouTube, go to the playlist, and you can go to Electric Culture of Safety promo videos. Go down that playlist, find the speaker, find the topic, and if that's what you want, that's what you get. Just ask for it. So simple. There's no cost. We pay for it, Beer pays for it, and these folks that come in, some of these folks actually pay for coming here and speaking out of their own pocket personally. I'm very serious. It's an amazing thing.